Light is a fundamental component of our universe, and understanding its properties and behaviors is crucial in studying celestial objects. In this article, we will explore the characteristics of light and its reflection on various celestial bodies. Firstly, it is essential to understand that light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that travels through space in the form of waves. These waves have various properties such as wavelength, frequency, and amplitude. The wavelength of light determines its color, with shorter wavelengths appearing blue and longer wavelengths appearing red. The frequency of light determines its energy, with higher frequencies having more energy. The amplitude of light determines its intensity, with larger amplitudes indicating brighter light. When light encounters an object, it can be absorbed, transmitted, or reflected. Absorption occurs when the object absorbs the energy of the light wave, which is then converted into heat. Transmission occurs when the light passes through the object without being absorbed or reflected. Reflection occurs when the light bounces off the object's surface. The reflection of light plays a crucial role in our ability to observe celestial objects. Different types of celestial bodies reflect light in different ways, which can provide insight into their physical characteristics. For example, the Moon reflects light in a way that allows us to observe its surface features, such as craters and mountains. The rocky surface of the Moon reflects light differently than the smooth surface of a gas giant planet like Jupiter. The reflection of light can also be used to determine the composition of celestial bodies. For example, the color of a planet can indicate the presence of certain gases in its atmosphere. The reflection of light can also be used to determine the temperature of a celestial object. Cooler objects reflect less light in the visible spectrum, appearing darker, while hotter objects reflect more light, appearing brighter. Furthermore, the reflection of light can also provide information about the surface texture of celestial bodies. Smooth surfaces reflect light more evenly than rough surfaces, which can create shadows and brightness variations. By studying the reflection of light on different surfaces, scientists can gain insight into the terrain of a celestial object. Additionally, the polarization of light can provide valuable information about the physical properties of celestial bodies. When light reflects off a surface, it can become polarized, meaning that the light waves oscillate in a specific direction. By analyzing the polarization of reflected light, scientists can determine the angle and texture of the surface, as well as the composition of the material. The reflection of light also plays a crucial role in the study of exoplanets, which are planets outside of our solar system. Scientists can use telescopes to detect the light reflected off the surface of an exoplanet. By analyzing the spectrum of the reflected light, scientists can determine the presence of various gases in the planet's atmosphere. This information can provide insights into the potential habitability of the exoplanet. Moreover, the reflection of light is not only important for studying the physical properties of celestial bodies, but also for understanding their motion and behavior. The reflection of light can be used to measure the speed and distance of celestial objects, as well as their orbital paths and rotations. For example, the reflection of light from a distant star can be used to measure its velocity and distance from Earth. This information can be used to determine the star's position in